Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 3 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch or wake up the screen on it. To turn it on, press and hold the crown button and keep holding it until you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen. And to wake up the screen, you also press the crown button, but just press it once and the screen will wake up. And once the screen wakes up, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. And in the menu, you can scroll through the list of icons by swiping on the screen. Find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, we need to scroll down, find the option called System and Updates, and once you find it, we can tap on it. And here, scroll down, and at the bottom you will see the option called Reset. And to reset our watch, we need to tap on the reset option, tap on the check mark to confirm, and then we need to wait until the resetting process is complete. It will take, I believe, like maybe a minute or two. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.